What is breakfast in Korean? Breakfast in Korean is
아침 식사, 아침 식사.
again. Breakfast in Korean is
아침 식사.
How do we write achim shiksa in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable a, we need to draw a no sound iyang followed by an a character. For the second syllable chim, we need to draw a chiat, i, and mium character. For the third syllable shik, we need to draw a siat character followed by an e character followed by a giok character. And for the last syllable sa, we need to draw a siat and a character.
And with that you've already learned what is breakfast in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is archery in Korean? Archery in Korean is
양궁, 양궁.
Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here. At Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.